You've been hitting the bench press for months, but the lower chest just won't pop out right? No matter how hard you train, that lower part still look flat and soft. Well, what if I told you there's one move, yes, just one, that can literally carve out a chiseled, shredded lower chest in record time? Let's start at the end, because once you add this move to your routine, your chest will start looking like a quick statue, sharp, defined, and powerful. Hey guys, welcome back to the Bulk Fit, where we turn average physique into absolute beast. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because daily we drop powerful science-backed workout that actually build muscles, not myths. Today's video is all about building your lower chest, that final piece that completes your chest statics and give you that superhero look. Here's the truth, most guys only focus on the flat bench press or push-ups, and they wonder why the bottom of their chest looks soft or shaggy. The lower chest is often neglected because it's harder to target and requires a specific movement angle. Without proper focus, you end up with a chest that looks half-filled. But once you hit that lower region right, your chest starts to hang perfectly with that lean, ripped curve every guy wants. So what's that one move that will change everything? It's called the Decline Dumbbell Press. Yes, simple but deadly effective. The single exercise targets your lower pecs fiber directly, helping you sculpt and separate your chest from your abs for that aesthetic cut. Let's break down why it's so powerful. The decline angle shifts the tension from your upper and mid chest to the lower section. Using dumbbell instead of a barbell, focus each side of your chest to work independently. No muscle imbalance. You also get a deeper stretch at the bottom and a stronger contraction at the top. And when done right, it activates more muscle fiber in lower pecs than any other chest move. In short, more muscle activation equals more growth for faster result. Now let's get into the correct way to perform this exercise. Set up the bench. Adjust your bench to a 15 to 30 degree decline. Not too steep, just enough to hit that lower chest. Carve your dumbbell. Choose a moderate weight. Remember, from over ego, you want to feel a stretch, not just move heavy metal. Get into position. Lie down carefully. Keep your feet secure. Bring the dumbbell over your chest with palm facing forward. Slowly lower the dumbbell down towards your lower chest, around the nipple line or slightly below. Feel that deep stretch in your pecs. Then press back up while squeezing your chest hard at the top. Control the motion. Don't bounce the weight. 3 seconds down, 1 second up. Push squeeze at the top. That's how you make your muscle grow. To get the best result, follow this simple routine. Force it up 10 to 12 reps, 2 times per week. Rest 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Perform this move at the end of your chest workout to completely burn out your lower pecs. Remember, training is only 50% of the battle. To actually see the chiseled look, you need to eat clean and recover smart. Hit at least 1 gram of protein per pound of your body weight. Stay in a slightly calorie deficit if you want to reveal muscle definition. Sleep 7 to 8 hours to boost testosterone and recovery. Your muscles don't grow in the gym. They grow when you rest and refuel. If you want to push things to the next level, add this quick lower chest finisher after your man set. Decline push-ups. Here's how. Put your feet on a bench or platform, hands on the floor, slightly wider than shoulders. Perform slow push-ups, focusing on contracting your lower pecs at the top. Do 3 sets to failure and watch your chest explode with pump. This combo, decline dumbbell press plus decline push-ups, is literally the killer tip for carving out your lower chest. Avoid the 3 mistakes that ruin your result. Going too heavy, you will lose control and miss muscle tension. Wrong angle. If the decline is too steep, your shoulders take over. Not squeezing at the top. That contraction is where real muscle growth happens. Remember, muscle building is about control, not just lifting heavy. If you train consistently, eat right, and recover properly, you will start seeing visible lower chest definition in 3 to 4 weeks. Within 8 weeks, your chest will look thicker, sharper, and more static from every angle. When you commit to one move, one missile, and one goal, your body starts changing faster than you can imagine. Stay focused, stay hungry, and remember, it's you versus you every single day. Alright guys, that's the one move you need to build a chiseled lower chest fast. Try this workout, stay consistent for 30 days, and I guarantee you will start seeing results you never thought were possible. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more fitness update.